All right, so we have this equation, and we need to work out the value for x. And if you look at the equation, we have 5 at the denominator here and 4. And what you need to do is to make them have the same denominator. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to multiply this whole equation by 4 at the bottom and multiply this whole equation by 5. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this is done. I'm going to multiply this equation all up by 4. So that's 4 bracket x plus 9 divided by 5, and multiply this equation by 5. Okay, so 5 here and also 5 here. X plus 2 divided by 4. Remember, you also divide here by also 4. Okay, and of course this definitely going to give you 5. And then of course, so if you have to do that, this will be the same thing as let me put this up a little bit so you can see it. Okay, good. So I'm going to divide this. 4 times 5 is 20, and if you multiply the top expression, 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times 9 is 36. And of course the bottom here is 20, and multiply 5 times x, which is 5x, plus 5 times 2, which is 10, and you add both fraction, and that will be equals to 5. Now you can see they have the same denominator. So what you do, you take one of the denominator, which definitely is 20. Okay, and what you need to do here is you add the top number here, which is 4x plus 36 plus 5x plus 10, and that will give you equals to 5. So if you simplify further, you will get anything from 4x plus 5x, which is 9x, and 36 plus 10 will be 46 divided by 20 equal to 5. So I think what you need to do here is to multiply by 20 on both sides. Okay, so multiply here by 20 and also here by 20, and you'll notice something very quite interesting here. This 20 cancel out this 20, and that will just give you 9x plus 46, and 5 times 20 is 100. And now we will have to do some bit of calculation by subtracting 46 on both sides. So that's 90x equals 100, take away 46. And if you do 9x, okay, and take away 100 from 46, you will have, I think you have 54. And then of course to get x, you'll have to divide 54 by 9. And I think when you do that, if you divide this by 9, you'll get I think 4, 6, yeah, 45, yeah, 6. So this is the final answer. Okay, so if you divide 54 by 9, you get 6. Now this is just a very good way to look at simple question that has to do with it's kind of equation. Okay, so this is how the process that you take to solve it. Okay, all right, thank you so much.